Alright, Saturday the 3rd of February. This is my latest Thunderball analysis video. Now, in this video I'm going to look at the reasons why these winning numbers came out. And this is what the chart looked like for the two machines and the 4 sets of balls that are currently in use on the Thunderball. And straight away, looking at this chart, you can see that Thunderball number 5 is most frequent, which means it's most outstanding in that respect. Also, we've got main number 20 closest to top right corner, which means it's most overdue for its frequency. So straight away, we've got a reason to pick Thunderball 5 and a reason to pick main number 20. And that's going on the current trend. Now, supposing we decide to pick main number 20, if we look at a chart for number 20, then you can see Thunderball number 5 most overdue for its frequency to occur with number 20. And if I look at a chart for Thunderball number 5, you can see there's 20 on the edge of the chart. Also you can see number 11, one of the most frequent. Now if we look at a chart for all sets of balls, and all machines, then you can see 32 is the most frequent. So that's always the reason why when 32 comes out, because it's always the most frequent. Now if we look at a chart for 32, looking at the full draw history, numbers that occur with 32, we can see 20 most frequent with 32. If we look at 32 and Thunderball 5 together, or maybe main number 20, okay, so not much reason why. Looking at that, so let's look at a chart for the other numbers. So you can see on the chart for 11, 32 most overdue for its frequency. So that means on the chart for 32, we should see 11 in a similar region. If we look at 24, nothing on that. 25. Okay, so just going on the current trend. Oh yeah, here we go. See, 25 and 20 most overdue with 25. So on the chart for 20, 25, you see most overdue, so okay with 20, going on the current trend. So missed that the first time I looked, but now I can see that. So on a chart for 25, see number 5, Thunderball number 5 most frequent. So usually the numbers that occur are most outstanding in some way. That's what usually happens. We could narrow it down further because we know that it was machine 6 set of ball 7. Have a look at machine 6. Look at machine 7. Now you can see machine 6 set of ball 7. That's your reason for number 24 coming out, because it's most overdue. Interestingly, 32 second most overdue as well. So now you can see reasons why all these numbers came out. So that's my analysis then of the reasons why these numbers came out together. So on the chart for 11 you can see 32 most overdue for its frequency, with that set of balls number 7. So predictions for the next draw then, which is tonight. Going to look at the current trend. That's what the chart looks like now. So let's pick some numbers. Well, got the most overdue, which is number 1, but in the column next to it got 5 numbers all in one column, and number 8 is the most overdue for its frequency. So it's going to be either Thunderball 1 or 8. In my opinion, also most overdue is number 30. Most frequent is number 8, which is at the probably average gap between occurrences at the moment. Because there's 39 numbers, 5 of them are drawn, that means the average gap is about 8. And number 8 is at a gap of 9 at the moment, so it would be good to pick main number 8, main number 30, and Thunderball 8 or 1. And the other numbers, you can see where they are on the chart. So if we look at numbers paired with main number 8, you can see there's a few outstanding numbers on that. Numbers paired with main number 30. So you can see 20 is outstanding and 32 again outstanding with number 30. Also see which Thunderballs are outstanding. Now if we look at the Thunderball side, chart for Thunderball number 8, these are the main numbers. You can see 8 is outstanding with number 8, and so is 32. So if it will fit Thunderball number 1 instead, then that's what it would look like. So the numbers that seem to be outstanding at the moment then would be these numbers that I've just been looking at. So that's just a few numbers to choose from that I've just keyed in just there. So that's all I've got for this video. Subscribe for the next one. Good luck in tonight's draw, and bye for now.